Hey guys, Jason Schnitzer here with Remax Tiffany Real Estate, and what I've got for you on this video is, of course, how's the real estate market for week 3 of 2023. As always, statistics. We're just over 2,500 homes for sale here in Orange County, California. 264 new listings have just come on the market, and about 350 homes have pended in the last week. Probably our biggest news, and I guess this is what I've been looking forward to as the start of the year, is next week we're going to get into what the Fed is going to be saying about their game plan with regards to attacking our inflation issue. And it's kind of interesting. I just talked to an economist yesterday who consults for a lot of the bigger builders in California, Olson Company amongst a few of them. And just get his perspective with regards to what's going on in the real estate market and really the economy as a whole, because it's easy to kind of get tunnel vision and see what's going on in your own business, the office's business, and just think that that's what's going on generally across all of California, etc. But it was really cool to hear. We shared a lot of the same sentiments just with regards to, the whole idea of our economy being stuck between a little bit of a rock and a hard place. And what I mean by that is, on one hand, we have inflation. On the other hand, we have potential recession because of the mechanisms that we have to pull to deal with inflation. Rising interest rates typically means a softening of the economy. It also means the bolstering of unemployment, which is really what the Fed is trying to accomplish with pulling the lever of raising interest rates. They want to see the job market slow down. They want to see our economy slow down. So the trick is how quickly and how fast do you raise rates to slow the market down without causing a complete pullback or potential recession. And that is what we have going on right this second. What a lot of people are saying, or at least what I'm hearing a lot of people say with regards that are actually in the industry, is they think that we're going to potentially see a recession second half of the year. Middle of this year is when the talks are going to happen. And, their thoughts is that, hey, when recessions happen, well, guess what happens typically is rates go down because we don't want to go in the recession. And my thing is yeah, that's how we've always kind of tackled these types of situations. But in the past, we have not had this ugly number with regards to inflation. The worst it's ever been since the 1980s. So again, what I mean by that is basically the Fed's going to have to choose. And this is just my opinion, of course. If we do start seeing a recession and we do let up on raising interest rates, well, then we're just going to have to deal with hyperinflation potentially. And I'm sure you guys are already seeing that and feeling that with regards to gas, your gas bill, electric bill, how much a dozen eggs costs. I mean, just at the store, I think it was $9 for 12 eggs. So that just, again, that is what inflation does. But if the Fed doesn't hold back and it still aggressively attacks inflation, which, to be honest, in the past few months, if you go back and actually look at the language that the Fed has used, they've come out and specifically said, hey, we are going to attack inflation at the risk of potentially causing economic pain to American citizens. I mean, they said that. You can go Google it right now if you'd like. So that's really what I'm kind of honed in on and really focusing on with regards to you guys right now out there looking to make a decision in 2023, what to potentially expect. Again, this is all crystal ball stuff. I don't think, and this is the sentiment of this economist, I don't think I've had a foggier crystal ball than this year. And I can't blame them. We have had an unprecedented market for the last 2 years. We're in an unprecedented market now dealing with inflation and all-time high prices and interest rates all of a sudden going from 3% to 6%. Now, all this being said, what we both agreed on is the fact that we have a finite supply of houses here, from oceanfront to call it 20 miles off the coast, 15, 20 miles off the coast, coastal real estate. And that is kind of what always anchors me back into the idea of they don't make dirt anymore. I think Mark Twain said it, buy land. They're not making it anymore. And they're not making it anymore in a sense that there's no place to build around here, so it's all resale. And also the fundamental reasons why people buy real estate, especially for the primary residence, is neighborhoods, city safety, amenities, etc., weather, which we have aces and in spades. And with the idea that people can basically work from their homes and work anywhere, they're not so much as centrally focused on being in a certain city. And that goes for anybody anywhere in the world. So I kind of tend to forget just how many people there are in the world and how few houses we have here, let's just say in Orange County. So when you're going to make a decision on your most expensive asset, please be sure to choose somebody that is all encompassing with regards to what the market's doing. See so many realtors out there that are just trying to sell you. And I at least see our job as a more holistic approach and long-term, because real estate, I believe once you buy a piece of real estate, you should, if you can, try to hold on to that forever. And then your kids hold on to it forever and their kids hold on to it forever, because there's a generational wealth aspect to it. So if you guys have any questions about how your real estate portfolio stacks up in 2023 with regards to making a move up, down, out of state, investment property, etc., we offer free real estate consulting. So definitely take advantage of that. Just give us a call, reach out on social media. Happy to help. And we'll keep a close eye on what's going on with the Fed. Be sure to check us out next week, and catch you then. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this week's episode of O.C Realtor Talk. If you gained any value from this video, we'd really appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and followed us on all our social media platforms.
Yeah, what Jason and I believe is really, really important for you, whether you're buying a house or selling a house, is understanding the process and knowing exactly what you're getting into. So if you ever have any questions, just follow the links below and we'll get you those answers.